Schumacher all those years ago, flying in the Williams across the top of another car and down into the gravel trap. Another hot spot for those of you that are down near turn 3. It'll be a passing opportunity for some. It's also a place you've got to respect those around you. So easy to end up with steering damage, so easy to break your front wing end plate, so easy to make